Hello, this is Michael John. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and short first impression review of this Spedal Stream webcam. The model number is AF926H, and I got this on eBay. I actually paid very little for it. I think I paid under $10 for it, but you can get them on eBay for relatively cheap. Here is one model of it. This is not the exact model, but as you can see, this one's $40. I believe this is the exact model, the AF926. I have the H version, but this is the regular 926 version. That's $40, and there are a lot of other Spedal ones on eBay, but I got mine for less than $10, which is an amazing deal. So far, I have had a bunch of Spedal items, so I thought a lot of them were good. Like as you can see right here, I have a 4K webcam that I am using right now, and I bought another one. I have a radar detector from Spedal. I have a dash cam from Spedal. You know, this is still its packaging. I have a lot of Spedal items. I have this webcam from Spedal. So yeah, I do have a lot of Spedal items, and so far I really like the company. So this looks like they're lower tier units because they don't come in that red and white box. So let's just take a look at the box. Over here you can see the QR code and what it comes with. Just a quick start guide, lens cloth, and the webcam. Over here is the English exact specifications, and over here are the use cases for it. So for home office, video conferencing, homeschooling, live streaming, photo shooting. I'm not sure if I'll use it for photo shooting, AI face recognition. Let's open it up. And all of these webcams are, for the most part, very similar, and they're made well. So here you have the webcam app. I never downloaded any of the software. So far it's been working for me, so that's nice. Here is the quick start guide and the lens cloth, 2-in-1. And it comes in this little plastic case. Over here you have the actual webcam, and the connector is USB 2.0. This looks like a 6-foot cable. It's decently long enough for all the places that I've put it so far. Over here is the actual camera. Let's talk about how the mount works. This is very similar to my Logitech mount, a very good mount. It basically stays on everywhere. The hinge is very, I guess, it's very tough, and it will stay in its place, so that's nice. And this also moves backward and forwards. This moves up and down also, which is really nice. This also moves 360 degrees. Not sure if it's the right way to describe it, but it's very good that it's very customizable. I actually mounted one of my webcams. I took a screw and I mounted it onto a piece of wood like this, and I had it sticking on top of the wood. If you want to watch that video, I posted it about the webcam that had the remote. That was a pretty cool one. But this one is 1080. It's, I guess, one of the lower tier units, but definitely good. It has 2 microphones. It looks like it has a decent camera, and it has a Velcro to keep the extra parts tied up while you're using it. It has this little capacitor thingy, and that's all. I'm gonna go put it on my computer, and I'm gonna show you. Here it is, sitting really nicely on top of my computer screen. As you can see, very easy to put on. You just got that thing going over there, and you put it right here. I did test it out. The quality is very decent. It is 1080, but obviously like not real 1080. Like it's it's okay. It's very okay. If you're talking to people and you are just using it for conferencing, it is amazing. Would I use it for gaming? Probably not. You want something a little bit higher quality. For conferencing, it's much better than the one on your laptop. This webcam, on the other hand, did amazing, and definitely had much higher quality than your laptop, much higher quality. The audio on this one was not great either, but it does claim that it has noise canceling. So all in all, would I recommend this? For less than $10, for sure, A+. For $40, I would say it's definitely like an A- or a B+. Definitely a decent webcam at a good price. Definitely worth the money. And I would definitely get it if you're looking to upgrade and if that's what's available for you. Otherwise, I would definitely go for a higher quality Spedal one, like one of the 4K ones. They're not that much more expensive, but if you have this in your cart, and you check out, don't be just be happy with your purchase, because this is actually a pretty decent one. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you in some way. Yes, it is a decent camera, and yes, I do recommend it. Have a great day.